Hi ladies, this is my welcome video, but I think we've already all taken a course together, so I'll make it brief. My name is Debbie, Deborah Saboter, MSRN. Please just call me Debbie. I've been a nurse for a long time and I've worked in various arenas. I earned my master's degree in 2003 from University of Massachusetts Med School in Worcester with a specialty in education. And I've taught clinical rotations in a lot of local schools. I was also a laboratory coordinator and faculty for UMass Medical Center's GSON, and I've taught HSA, HSW, and BSN online courses here at BayPath. I do work full-time at Mercy Medical Center in the nursing education department. I worked my way through school from an associate degree to a bachelor degree and then a master's degree. It did take a long time, but I did this while raising a family. Most of it as a single mom. I was a single mom since my youngest son was a little over a year old. So I really do feel like I have a connection to a lot of women in the American Women's College at BayPath because I know what it's like to juggle so much. I'm married. I have 2 adult sons, 2 stepsons, 2 grandsons, and a granddaughter, 3 cats, and a dog. Sounds like a lot, huh? This is actually just some pictures of my family from this past summer. I began my love for teaching as a preceptor. I really believe in Socrates. I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. So I think what I'm actually here for is to try and make this material interesting and relevant to you as adult learners so that you want to learn it. I will say again that I learn so much in every course. I think this is my 3rd time teaching leadership. But every time I learn something because of you guys. You all come from such diverse backgrounds and offer such different thoughts and ideas. As far as my experience in leadership, I was the manager/coordinator of the Department of Education at Mercy Medical Center for several years. And then I went to UMass Medical School, Graduate School of Nursing, and I was the manager and coordinator of their nursing lab and the faculty in that lab. And also, as I mentioned, I was a single parent. I think that's one of our most important leadership roles. So I think if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. I'm ready to get going with this leadership course with all of you. So let's get started. See you online.